see, you're not being able to see the shore anywhere. Yeah. And once the seas get stormy, it's very scary. If you've ever been in a storm or at least seen a storm that the seas go through, they're very very violent, and you'll be like, the nature is, we see mother nature, but वहाँ पे motherly side नहीं आ रही होती वहाँ पे. It's a very destructive side. The oceans are very, that's why even this boats, the ships, they usually, as much as they can't, I mean they can possibly do, they always stick to the shore. They always stick to the shore and they cross things. Whenever they really want to cross an ocean, they really take care that all the data they have, all the weather reports they have, because oceans, even now with all the technology that we have, we can't handle, our ships can't handle it. So this material existence is like that. What does material existence mean? When we are right now here as human beings or animals, or as I mentioned earlier, we are not this body, we are a soul, right? We all agree to that here. Do we agree to the existence of a soul, that we are a soul, there is something called a soul? Because उस point तक आने तक ही बहुत, it takes a long time to come to that point. But a simple question to all of you, just to make it a refresher for us, that when we die, what happens? Does the body disappear like Thanos? Like Thanos disappears, no? Or when he does this, people disappear. Does our body disappear? No. What happens? What happens when we die? When we die, the body is lying here, but it is lifeless. Yeah, it's lifeless. What makes it lifeless or full of life? What, the presence of what is, or the absence of what? Soul. We can it's a very logical thing, right? We in the lab we can make a body come together. We know all the ingredients of this body. There are bones, there is blood, and there is muscles, and there is tissue. ये सब चीजें हम lab में बना सकते हैं. What we can't do in a lab is put life in that body. Yeah. Even if you bring together a full body, you'll still need egg from somewhere, you'll still need sperm from somewhere. All of these things you need to come together and basically bring life in a body. Yeah. So that is something we can't, we can very easily see that what makes a body live or what makes a body dead is the presence or absence of a soul. Hare Krishna. So there is no denying that there is something called the soul, but obviously we can acknowledge this, that we know very little about the soul. सोल के बारे में हमें, आत्मा के बारे में बहुत कम पता है हमें. इस बॉडी के बारे में हमें कुछ कुछ चीजें पता है. We know some things about this body. Yeah. What do we know about this body? What do we know about this body?
The different systems.
Different systems. Yeah.
The physiological aspects.
Physiological aspects we know. Doctors, especially the medical scientists, they know about this body a lot. Yeah, we know some things about it, that when there's a fever, that means the body is trying to fight an infection. Some things we know about all this. But in our general everyday lives, being non-medical people, what do we know about this body? What do we think about this body? Hamari body is that you've experienced it. Like, what do you know about this body? When you eat, what happens? What will happen? You know about this, right? अगर हम खाते हैं तो digest हो जाएगा. And when you fall down, what happens? चोट लग जाएगी. Yeah. So whenever there is a pain, that means the body is trying to give you a signal that there is something wrong in that body. So you, in that body part, you understand what I'm saying? For example, like an HUD, heads up display. अगर कोई मशीन है तो उसका एक स्टेटस होता है. जैसे गाड़ी चला रहे हो, टुडे इन टुडेज कार्स यू हैव सो मेनी, यू हैव एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर. उसमें इवन इफ योर doors are not closed, so what does it gives you a signal? Belts are not put on, it gives you a signal. Engine is not okay, gives you a signal. Your tire pressure is not okay, it gives you a signal. So our body's way of giving signal is through pain. There's something wrong here, check it, right? Our body is like a machine which has a lot of instruments. We know about all of this. इतना हमें पता है, बट हमें इसके बारे में भी कम पता है थोड़ा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई ईट and if it digest or not, I don't have any उस digestion में I don't have any active role to play. Yes or no? I can just assist by eating the right things, by not eating crap, and just eating at the right time, the right amount, all of that. I can just assist, but will it digest or not? I don't have any active role in it. Breathing, I don't have any active role in it. Heartbeat, do I have an active role in it? I don't have an active role in it. So a lot of these things we still don't know about the body, still trying to figure it out. Level below, उसका एक level below है, or higher, if I can say, deeper level है of the mind. The body we can see, the body we know, but the mind is there. We all know there is a mind. All of us have a mind, yeah. But we don't know where it is. हम बता नहीं सकते कहाँ पे है. Alright, अगर आपसे मैं पूछूं कि माइंड कहाँ पे है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Where is the mind? Inside the head. Yeah. Where else can the mind be? So it's not in your arm, it's not in your knees, but it's inside the head. Is that what you're saying? But if we break open the head and we split it open, will we see the mind? What will we see?
Brain.
The brain. Brain is a physical organ, body का part है. Mind body का part नहीं है. Mind क्या है? What is the mind? Where is the mind? You all are agreeing that the mind is there, but none of us have seen. Your mind I have not seen, my mind I have not seen, but I am agreeing that there is a mind. What is this? Where is the mind? Where is the mind? Mind is something which is subtle. It is called subtle. Nobody is denying that it is not there, even though nobody has seen it, which is so crazy. Because otherwise, if you tell people something, they'll be like, "नहीं दिखा मुझे. Where is the proof? I want to see the proof of it, right?" So mind is something that you can't see, that you can't smell, that you can't touch, but you can perceive. There is proof for it, but it's a different kind of proof. क्या proof है mind का? Can you guess? Mind है कि नहीं है किसी का? तो proof क्या है? If I ask you, show me your mind, what will you say? Like prove to me that you have a mind. What will you do? What will
We
you
can
do?
ask, what are you thinking right now?
Yeah,
Our
We take
reaction.
decisions.
yeah.
Our reaction.
Reactions, our thoughts, mainly our thoughts. Thoughts are not coming from our brain, not from our heart, not from this body. Yes or no?
Yes.
Thought is coming from the mind. So the presence of a thought is proof that there is a mind. So वो subtle है. But यहाँ पे can you see in just one instance we know that just because we can't see something doesn't mean it doesn't exist. There is something, there is a whole world, there is a whole physiology, psychology that exists just beyond the perception of our senses, which is subtle. That is on the level of the thought. वो subtle body है. This gross body, then the subtle body. But both of these के owner जो है, as we said, is the soul. So that is even subtler than the mind. And what is the proof of the mind, of the soul? When something is living, when something is conscious, that is proof कि इसमें क्या है? Soul है. For example, if I ask you, this table, does it have a soul?
No.
It doesn't have a soul because it's not conscious. But just because something doesn't move doesn't mean that it's not conscious. For example, a tree. Trees also don't move by themselves. Yes or no? Yeah. But are they conscious?
Yes.
Yeah, they are conscious. They are conscious beings. Yeah. So they have a soul in them. Anything that has consciousness has a soul in them. Is this okay to understand? Yeah. So ये सारी बातें हमने कर ली थी. We've spoken about all of this. We were about to do the invocation prayers. So I'll just start with the invocation prayers. Quickly do it, and then we'll continue with that discussion. ॐ अज्ञानातिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वापदान्तिकम्. वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। We offer our respects and obeisances to ISKCON founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada, because of whom we have this internal inside job knowledge. ये insider trading है हमारी. You understand insider trading? When someone is doing trading, so in stocks or something. For example, if a company is going to go bankrupt, right? उसके stocks नीचे गिर जाएंगे, right? And if you have stocks of them, and but you get to know before anybody else, अंदर से आपको खबर मिल जाती है कि ये कल क्या होने वाला है, this is going to go bankrupt, and you basically sell all your stocks before anybody else, and next day everybody is going crazy, but you are like, I did the right thing. आपका फायदा हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? फायदा हुआ ना? So Srila Prabhupada, because right now we have a lot of external information. Stocks की information आपको news से मिल सकती है, paper से मिल सकती है, but whatever is coming in the news and in the paper and people, वो it's already too late because it's external information. बाहर निकल चुकी है बात, but अंदर की जो बात है उससे आपका फायदा होता है, yes or no? Yeah. So external information about our body, about our soul, psychology, we're getting a lot of that. But Srila Prabhupada here is giving us some insider knowledge, yeah, which is coming directly from the creator of this body, this mind and this soul, which is Sri Krishna. So we thank him for this knowledge by saying his pranam mantra. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Shilame. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Guru Maharaj ki jai. So we've spoken about three levels, which is the body, mind and the soul. I want to basically talk about that we have to take care of all three of them, otherwise we'll not be happy. We are all here to be happy, right? We want to be happy. We're trying our best to be happy, and right now what we are being taught is that how to take care of the body, and maximum how to take care of the mind. Maximum wo bhi we are losing out, right? When we are kids, we are taught in school a lot of different things: science, geography, biology, math, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, French, Italian. We taught all of these things. All of these things are related to your body maximum, yes or no? Yeah. A little bit about your mind, moral science here and there, but yes or no? Yeah. But we are not just the body. We are also the mind. We are also the. Originally, we are what? We are soul who has a mind and who has a body, right? तो हमें एक पार्ट पे तो पूरी नॉलेज मिल रही है, and we are acting on that, but we are missing out on the two, and we are seeing that आजकल. Even if we are not talking about the soul, the world is not talking about the soul much, but when we grow up and अपनी material education से को लगा के हम we get a lot of success, and but there is still a lot of people who go through tribulation and trials and a lot of trouble, yes or no? Yeah. To get to that success, we go to a lot of trouble. Yeah. and because now हमने bodily platform पे we've achieved success, but उस bodily platform पे success पाने के लिए हमने बहुत मेहनत करी, बहुत troubles के through गए हमने जो दूसरा वाला part है उसको खराब कर लिया. We have messed up the second वाला part. What was the second layer? Right after the body, what was the layer? Of the mind. This and do we see that here, that to achieve a lot of success materially, if we don't take care of the mind, we go a little crazy. We have depression, we have anxiety, we have all of this. Is that what we see outside in today's world? Yeah. Are we seeing a lot of anxiety, depression, and even in kids, as young as 13, 12, 11, we are seeing. When I was a kid, I didn't know these words. Nor did I, I didn't know what tension was. My main tension was मैंने maths का homework नहीं है, कल teacher ना आ जाए. Like my biggest prayer was that please teacher absent करा देना, teacher absent करा देना. You understand what I'm saying? And I used to be happy. But in today's world, there's a lot of pressure. The pressure is what is the pressure for? What is the pressure for? To achieve
Success.
material success, bodily success. Yes or no? Right? That's where the pressure is. And then we achieve that also. People who actually go through that pressure, work hard, and then get it done, what are they called? They're called successful people. But in this running race, we have neglected the mind also. I'm not even talking about the soul. Mind को भी हमने क्या किया है? Neglect किया है. And that's when people start taking therapy. It's become very normal to take therapy. Even people take therapy, and
Yeah, even middle school kids are going.
yeah, middle school kids are going for therapy. But when do we go to a doctor? Bodily जब चीज भी होती है, when do we go to a doctor? When do we go to doctor? Regular checkup के लिए भी जाते हैं, but प्रिवेंटिव के लिए जाते हैं, और सेकेंडली एक्चुअली जब उसको क्योर करने के लिए खराब हो गई ना बॉडी, उसको ठीक कराने जाते हैं. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट व्हेन वी गो टू थेरेपी, it's a preventive thing also, that you get to speak to someone, how do I actually do this, but mostly it is because now I'm going through something. हम उस सिचुएशन में आए ही क्यों कि मेरी जो माइंड है वो अब खराब, उसको ठीक करने की जरूरत है. Why did we reach that situation right now? Because we're not taking care of the mind. You understand what I'm saying? There are a lot of gyms out there, but can you guarantee me that everybody who's going to a gym who's eating right will not have a heart attack? Can you guarantee me that? You know about this person, Nikhil Kamat's brother. I forget his name.
Mumbai mein he was a very officer.
Yeah. So Zerodha is a company that's doing, it's a unicorn in India, started by these two brothers. One of them is a gym freak. Yeah. Now they've achieved success. They eat right. They have podcasts which talk about this. Fitness kaise rakhni hai. The best people they have around them. He went through a stroke recently, and he himself said it. Ki guys, this is a reminder for me that please take a break. Please take a break, please take care of your mental health also. Because it's not because of his body. उसकी body healthy थी, तो उसको stroke कैसे आया? उसको stroke आया because he was mentally, he was getting affected, right? So, but stroke is of the mind or of the body? Stroke किसको आता है? Body को आता है, mind को आता है? Body को आता है ना? But body तो fit थी उसकी, तो body को कैसे stroke आया? Because can I use this?
Yeah, of course you can use it. I can use this pen also.
This one or
Yeah,
this?
you can use.
Oh.
Yeah, you can use this.
So, if we are a soul and we have a mind and we have a body, stroke कहाँ आता है? Stroke, heart attack कहाँ आते हैं? Body. ठीक है, इतनी सीरियस भी बात नहीं करेंगे. हेयर लॉस कहाँ होता है? बॉडी का होता है. कैसे होता है? स्ट्रेस से होता है. स्ट्रेस से होता है कि नहीं होता है? स्ट्रेस से बहुत सारी चीजें बॉडी को होती हैं, लेकिन स्ट्रेस कहाँ होता है? माइंड में होता है स्ट्रेस. Whatever is happening on a higher level is bound to affect you on the lower level. So is it enough to take, even to be just physically fit, is it enough to take their care of just the body? Even to be just physically fit, is it enough?
No.
You have to be mentally fit also to be bodily fit, because ये layer के हिसाब से चलता है, they are interconnected. Is this okay to understand? Even for kids, when we say you have to eat right, we take care of our kids a lot, right? कि उनको क्या खाना मिलना चाहिए, पौष्टिकता कौन सी मिलनी चाहिए, they get their supplements, they get their exercise, we take care of them a lot. But if we want them to be bodily fit, we want their mind to be also be healthy, sane and peaceful. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now उसी लॉजिक को हम एक्सटेंड करेंगे. यहाँ तक तो साइंस पहुंच गया है, पहले यहाँ तक था साइंस. Just 50-100 years ago, nobody was talking about the mind. Do you agree there? Yeah. Nobody was like, this is not pseudoscience. Like psychology was not even considered science. Like ये सब नहीं होता. हम क्या टेक केयर करेंगे, बॉडी का टेक केयर करेंगे तो सब कुछ है. But now they've caught up to the level of the mind. Now there's one more level they have to catch up. Because if this is the chronology, the higher layers affect the lower layers. If I take care of the body, if I take care of the mind, but I am not taking care of the soul, then मैं mentally भी fit नहीं रहूँगा और bodily भी मैं fit नहीं रह पाऊँगा. It's better than taking care of just the body, taking care of the mind and body. But the best part, perfection कब आएगी? तब भी कुछ कमी रह जाएगी. Because perfection is when I take care of the
So
उससे I'll take care of the mind and the body. This is called holistic self-care. अगर हमें self care करना है, self love करना है, then we have to take care of all three, because this is me in totality. I am not just this. Am I just this bag of bones and muscles? No. I'm also my thoughts. Okay, include that. Am I just my bones, muscles and my thoughts? Because if it was just that, वो तो यहीं पे है. When I'm dead also, what am I? If I am all of these three things, then to take care of myself, should I take care of all three or just one or two?
three.
All three. This is the secret sauce that Srila Prabhupada is giving, that Krishna is giving, in fact. Krishna is giving this secret sauce to happiness. This is what will complete the equation to happiness. So let's check कि कैसे करते हैं. Body को हम how do we take care of the body? Body की take care कैसे करते हैं? Eat right, exercise, sleep well. ये सब करते हैं body के लिए. Very nice. ये वाले level पे हम सबको पता है. But इसमें भी एक catch है. We know body का take care कैसे करते हैं. But are we all fit? Are bodily fit? Are we all 100% there? नहीं right? हमें पता है कि हमें कैसे बैठना चाहिए. How do we have to sit? Straight. Spine is straight, right? No hunching. Posture has to be right. We know all of us know. But how do we sit? I'll tell you my own example. If you come to my home कभी and you see me working, मैं लेट के काम कर रहा होता कभी ऐसे काम कर रहा होता. And my wife comes and my parents come and they're like, what are you doing? It's so bad for you. हमें पता है ये बात, हमें ही पेन देती है ये बात. मैं रात को फिर ऐसे कर रहा होता हूँ, यहाँ मसाज कर दो, ये कर दो, like I'm just doing all of this. Yeah. So I know what is good for my body. How many of us here know what is good to eat? Veggies are good to eat. Broccoli is good to eat. What do we eat? What do we actually eat? Chips, bhujia, French fries, chole bhature. We eat all of that. We know that this is not good for me, my body, yet we do it. So that's a different thing that Krishna takes care later on. First he's taking care, पहले पता तो लोगो. First take care that
What is right?
what is right, what is wrong. Then we'll come to if you can do it or not and how do you actually do it. He'll separate that. But right now, at least we get to know. So body के लिए we know what to do. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. But here also there's a catch. Just some years ago, some centuries ago, there was no concept of correct eating. In fact, if you see ads, I was looking at ads 100 years ago. Smoking was considered good for health. I am not kidding. I will show you ads where it says that one smoke a day keeps you healthy, wealthy, and wise. Smoking was considered healthy. Moderation में smoke करो क्या हो जाएगा आपको? But now what do we know? What does science say? The packet, what does science? What does the packet say?
Injury.
It doesn't even say injurious to health anymore. It says kills. Smoking kills you. Kills. So it's basically suicide, right? Anybody who's smoking, it is technically suicide because you know it'll kill you and yet you're doing it. So what does it mean? That you're basically wanting to go towards death voluntarily. It is almost suicide. So here now we know the part क्या खाना चाहिए क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. So we know this. Now to take care of the mind, what should we do? यहाँ पे ना tricky हो जाता है because this is the part we know the most. This is the part we know less. This is the part we don't know at all. So now if I ask you what is good for your mind, what do you have to do to take care of your mind? Meditation, okay. Yoga. Sorry.
Think.
हाँ, this is very nice. तो body की level पे eating matter is what? Eating, seeing, what do you see? But here is what do you think? How are your thoughts? Cultivating nice thoughts. How do you cultivate good thoughts? How do you cultivate good thoughts?
Seeing good in everything.
Yeah, like actually seeing good in everyone is very difficult. But you know what your
Missing moment.
everything is in this diagram. You know what your thoughts are made of? How do you control what thoughts you get?
Positivity.
Positivity, how? It's a good word, but how? Practically speaking. How do you do it? How do you control that you only have good thoughts? Analyze करो उसको कि आपको thoughts आते कहाँ कैसे thoughts आते हैं?
Association.
Yeah, whatever you're associating with, you're getting that kind of thoughts. अगर आपने कोई horror movie देखी है और रात को आप सोने जा रहे हो, you're gonna go to sleep after watching a horror movie. Have you seen a horror movie? Yeah. What kind of thoughts do you get? Scary thoughts. You can't go if you're feeling thirsty. You're not being able to go to the kitchen to get a. Oh, I can see someone. You understand what I'm saying? Whatever this body has 5 senses. Yeah. What are those 5 senses? Eyes, ears. What else? Nose, skin and tongue. So whatever these 5 things are engaging with, these are our input devices. These are the whole world we are taking in through these 5 senses. You understand what I'm saying? Whatever we are seeing, hearing, smelling, feeling and tasting. So this is what is contributing to our thoughts. Whatever we are doing, not just seeing, हमें कभी-कभी लगता है because our dominance is only on the eyes sometimes, whatever we are seeing, but that's not true. If someone makes you sit in a room and आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ गाली देता रहे, how will your thoughts go? Positivity? Will that cultivate positivity in me?
No.
Cultivate negative. I'll become negative because that has happened through my ears. Smell से भी होता है whatever, because have you seen this कभी sometimes अभी आपके घर में अगर बचपन में आपकी माँ दादी माँ घी या मक्खन घर में बनाती हो तो whole house smells of ghee or makhan, right? Whenever you next time smell ghee or makhan, what will that remind you of? Of your bachpan, of your dadi ma, nani ma. Oh yeah, this used to happen. The smell has nothing to do with your dani ma, but because you're associating with that, your thoughts will get triggered like that. So skin, your touch, whatever you're touching. For example, if you have some things that you've touched and played with, those have stored memories in them. Yeah. And tongue, whatever you're eating is very important. Whatever you're eating, if it is not sanctified food, the person who has cooked it can transfer their thoughts through them. For example, a person is watching TV and उस TV में murder चल रहा है. You understand? ढाबा में कोई खाना बना रहा है, TV देखते देखते बना रहा है, and उसमें in the movie that person is watching, the cook is watching, is murder चल रहा है वहाँ पे. So the consciousness that will get transferred is of a murderous thought. The person who will eat it will have what kind of thoughts? Will have murderous thoughts. Very subtle. This is called subtle science. So when we are cooking for a loved one, वो बहुत different हो जाता है. आप कभी-कभी बोलते हैं ना यार ये वाला इनके हाथ का खाना बहुत different है. इसमें प्रेम भरा हुआ है. When you eat from someone's बाजार का खाना और घर का खाना इसलिए तो different है. Same ingredients, same everything, recipe, everything is same, but it will always taste very different because the person's consciousness is in it. If I am making for my family member, मैं प्रेम से बनाऊंगा ना उसको. So that is very different. So that is what the tongue is. Basically, wherever you are, if you ever want to, आप कभी सोचते हो मुझे अपने विचार बदलने हैं, मुझे विचार बदलने हैं. कैसे बदल सकते हो आप? Through your senses. आप क्या देख रहे हो, आप क्या सुन रहे हो, आप किनके साथ उठ रहे हो, बैठ रहे हो, आप क्या खा रहे हो, आप क्या सूंघ रहे हो, किन चीजों के साथ हो, उनको अगर आप चेंज कर दोगे आपके विचार क्या हो जाएंगे? जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा संग वैसा रंग. Is this okay to understand? So this is what is happening. So to have to take care of your mind, first of all your association has to be better. It starts a level lower, by the way. It starts a level lower, but it continues here as well. And then obviously you have to you can use things like tools like meditation and going to a calm place, etc. So all of these things affect your mind. That's how you take care of your mind. Yeah. Now, how do you take care of your soul? How many of you have taken care of your soul ever? Today or yesterday you spent a whole day. How much was it for your body, how much was it for your mind, and how much was it for your soul? Ratio, percentage. सोचो आपके सारे काम सोचो. Yesterday was a Friday. What did you do? सुबह उठे, उसके बाद क्या किया आपने? बताओ मत, but just सोचो क्या किया जो बॉडी के लिए था, जो माइंड के लिए था और जो सोल के लिए था. Ideally
95% body.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 or 2% for
Mind.
soul and mind.
1 or 2%, वो भी ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो आप. 24 hours होते हैं. 24 hours का 1% कितना होता है? Hours का 1%. How much is it? How much is it? Calculate.
0.24.
Sorry?
0.24.
0.24 hours. What is 0.24 hours?
1/4 of an hour is
10
15 minutes.
15, 20 minutes?
10 to 15.
I write 15 minutes. Did you actually do something for your soul for 15 minutes in your day? 15 minutes? Did you do? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a big thing. And when I say 15 minutes dedicatedly, that means when you are in that activity, your mind is not doing anything else, your body is not doing anything else. 15 minutes dedicatedly for the soul. Did you do?
बच्चों ने किया कीर्तन.
Yeah, बच्चों ने किया कीर्तन. So you understand what I'm saying? Even if I'm saying that 1% of a day, that means 15 minutes. अब बड़ी लग रही है चीज. 1% छोटी लग रही थी. 15 मिनट हमें अब बड़ी लग रही. 15 मिनट क्या करूं? 15 मिनट 15 मिनट करूं क्या? भगवान के लिए अगर सोल के लिए करना है तो करूं क्या करूं ऐसा 15 मिनट? So if you think of a ratio, the ratio is very skewed. Even if I say 1% I did for the soul, ठीक है, मान लिया आपकी बात. How much for the mind? ठीक है, 5%. So that means 94% is
Body.
for the body. Is this skewed or not? Skewed है ना? Balanced नहीं है. इसीलिए हमको हमारा happiness का जो equation है वो imbalance में मिलता है. LHS equals to RHS करना है हमको. जो हम body के लिए कर रहे हैं, mind के लिए कर रहे हैं, ये पूरा balanced होना चाहिए. When the equation matches, tallies, that's when we will get something called that elusive holy grail of something called happiness. When this doesn't match, तब तक हम happy नहीं हो पाएंगे. We will just follow a shadow called happiness. What is that shadow? That I have a desire. I have to buy whatever. I have to buy a chocolate. छोटी चीज है sugar. I have to buy a chocolate. This is my आज का गोल है मेरा ये कि what do I have to do? I have to buy a chocolate. Now till I don't buy that chocolate, what will I do? I'll keep running. Once I get that chocolate, how will I feel?
Happy.
Yay! I feel really happy. I feel happy. कर दिखाया मैंने. Then you eat that chocolate. Then what happens?
Goes down.
Then you like, what next? What next? This is not happiness. This is gratification. Necessary है. To stay sane, necessary करना है. Fine. But this is not happiness. ये समझना है आपको, ये happiness नहीं है. If you ask anybody if they want to be happy, they'll all say yes. But if you ask them what is happiness, they won't have any answer. They'll be like, happiness, to have peace. अरे, but happiness and peace are two different things. You just said you want happiness. आप कह रहे हो peace. If you ask yourself, what is happiness? You want to be happy? Yes. What is happiness? You won't know. You will be like, maybe to achieve my goals, to achieve my objectives. But you will achieve them, or maybe you won't achieve them. But what after that? When you were a kid, you had different goals. When you're young, you have different goals. When you become older, you have different goals. That means your happiness quotient keeps changing. But happiness is not that. Krishna talks about this in the 6th chapter. Ki happiness is something that is permanent. It's a permanent state of being. Yeah, it's a permanent state of being, which is even, for example, he says this. The word that you use is very important, Prabhu. Contentment. अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ आता है contentment से हमें peace आता है और peace के बाद हमें मिलती है something called happiness, आनंद. बट हम सिर्फ इसकी बात कर सकते हैं बिकॉज हमारे पास ये अभी नहीं है. इसको तो हमने देखा ही नहीं है, इसकी बात ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. समथिंग वी हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस्ड, हाउ विल वी टॉक अबाउट इट? वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड दिस बिकॉज वी हैव द ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस. व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ पीस एंड कंटेंटमेंट? व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट? पीस का एंजाइटी. I'm discontent about something. Yeah, I'm anxious about something. मेरी लाइफ में अभी पीस नहीं है, इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि जब वो मिल जाएगा तो मैं क्या बन जाऊंगा? हैप्पी हो जाऊंगा. बट पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. पीस इज बेसिकली द एब्सेंस ऑफ मिजरी. इट्स द एब्सेंस ऑफ मिजरी. इज द कोई मुझे तंग नहीं कर रहा है, वो क्या है? हाँ, मुझे क्या मिली?
Peace.
हश, चला गया है बंदा, बड़ा तंग कर रहा था मुझे. That person has now gone. Now I am experiencing peace. For example, you know what peace is? You know why we feel like desires को fulfill करने से we feel happy? I'll tell you why. You know what desires are? This is the last point for the day, and we'll take it to discussion, question answers after that. You know what desires are? Tell me one desire, any common desire that people have. छोटी सी कुछ भी बोल दो.
To be powerful.
To be powerful. छोटी सी, बड़ी, like daily. मैं छोटे से शुरू करना चाहता हूँ. Any छोटी, whatever. Weekend पे क्या करते हैं हम? What do you want to do on weekend?
Movie
देखना चाहते हैं. I want to go for a pizza. Eating out. Like a normal desire. Now, if I want to watch a movie, who wants to watch it? How do you watch a movie? Through your eyes and ears?
Yes.
and popcorn also.
Eyes and ears. It is a whole experience, by the way. वो पूरा experience. नहीं तो you would never pay $400. The ticket of the movie is $200-$250. The popcorn का tub is $400. Can you imagine this? What did you go there for? For the popcorn or for the movie? But they are selling an experience of it. You understand? And tongue. मैं तीनों डाल देता हूँ. ठीक है. आपने देखी, सुनी और खाया वहाँ पे. This is a movie. The desire of going for the movie experience is actually of these 3 senses. ये तीनों सेंस बोल रहे हैं आपको कि मुझे कुछ देखना है. कान मुझे बोल रहा है मुझे सुनना है. वो साउंड ट्रैक बहुत अच्छा था, सुनना है. पॉपकॉर्न खाना है. तो ये सेंसेस जो हैं ये मुझे तंग कर रही हैं. ये मुझे क्या कर रही हैं? उनके पास वो है, त्रिशूल है अपने, वो मुझे चोब रही है यहाँ पे, like just doing that, like a small kid who throws a tantrum. Small kid wants something, what do? They throw a tantrum. But as a parent, all of you must know this. आपको ज़्यादा experience है मेरे से. When a kid is throwing a tantrum, जस्ट उसको चुप कराने के लिए अगर वो चीज उसको पकड़ा दो तो क्या होता है, अभी के लिए चुप हो जाएगा. She also knows. She's like, जिद करूंगी जिद करते. She's अगली बात they know कि अच्छा this is the way to get things done. So that's how we strengthen our senses. Our senses are saying मुझे ये चाहिए 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 चाहिए, but हम उससे तंग हो रहे हैं तो हम क्या करें, अरे लेना है तो ले, तो ये चुप हो गए तो हमें क्या फील हो रही है, this absence of the tantrums thrown by our senses को हम is our definition of being happy in this life. This is not real happiness. This is the reason why we always have to say what next, because these guys are ready with their next फरमान, next request आ गई उनकी, एक चीज खत्म हो गई तो थोड़े टाइम के लिए चुप रहेंगे, उसके बाद वापस आपके पास आ जाएंगे. Yes or no? This is the reason why we keep running after things, because these guys keep coming back. उनको चुप कराने के लिए,
It's okay, it's okay.
उनको चुप कराने के लिए we keep doing things. So that means I may think I don't have a boss. I may think these are my desires I'm fulfilling. But in reality, whose desires am I fulfilling?
Senses.
The Shastras call this Go Dasa. Go means senses. Das means,
Servant.
Das का मतलब क्या है? Slave. Slave is the right word. Servant भी नहीं. Slave. I am a slave of my senses. इसीलिए जो कोई अगर सन्यासी होते हैं या जो कोई महाराज, उनको स्वामी का नाम दिया जाता है. एक्चुअली गोस्वामी. What does this mean? गो का मतलब क्या, हमने क्या बोला? Senses. और स्वामी का मतलब है
Master.
Master. A person who has conquered their senses, who is not slave to their senses. In fact, they are the ones who are dictating that तू कहाँ जाएगा, तू कहाँ लगेगा, तू कहाँ engage होगा. That person is called a Goswami. Goswami is not just आजकल तो वो सिर्फ एक वो बन गया है, surname बन गया है. But this is the real meaning of a Goswami. But right now we are a Godasa. Until this happens, how can I get peace? And without peace, how can I get happiness? This is what Krishna is saying in the chapters aage. So this is the whole understanding that we have to take care of all these three things. And to take care of all of these three things, body के लिए तो हमें healthy रहना ही है, mind के लिए हमें अच्छे thoughts cultivate करने ही हैं, but there is something that we need to do for the soul. And to just give you the gist of it, the best thing that we can do for the soul is something called A, B, C, D. A stands for something. A for
Association.
Association.
apple. No. A for, here this is spiritual ABCD. हम अभी spiritually हम सब बच्चे हैं. That's why हम ABCD सीख रहे हैं, right? A stands for association. जो senses है हमारी कहीं लग रही हैं, तो if we're in this in the association, in the group of like-minded people who are trying to practice spirituality, like this group here, this weekly association is helping us, reminding us कि we are actually not just this body and mind, we are a soul. This is where it all starts. Association is very important. A for association, B is for books. भगवद गीता. बुक्स को हम पढ़ें, साथ में बैठ के पढ़ें, जो हम यहाँ पे करेंगे, राइट? From next session onwards, we will start the Gita. So the Gita, books like the Gita, we study together. That is what is giving me actual good information, good knowledge. For example, मुझे body ठीक रखनी है, मुझे पता है, but कैसे रखनी है उसको भी जानना जरूरी है ना. कि for example, today we know if I Google what is healthy for me, I'll see veggies are healthy for me. That is information. Without that information, how will I know what to do? Even if I want to be healthy, how do I know? So the Bhagavad Gita is telling us how to take care of the soul and in turn take care of the mind and the body. Books. C is something that we do at the beginning, chanting. Chanting समझते हैं आप? We chant the mantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Actually, mantras are very powerful. Mantras basically engage all of our senses, especially जब हम मंत्र ये वाला गाते हैं, usually we chant or we clap, right? So we are using our limbs also, we are using our ears also, we are using our tongues also into engaging in something which is spiritual in nature, because these names are of Krishna himself. He is absolute spirit. So वो पूरी कनेक्शन हमने इनकी किसी स्पिरिचुअल चीज से कर दी है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे थॉट स्पिरिचुअल हो जाएंगे एंड वी आर देन डूइंग समथिंग फॉर द सोल. जस्ट लाइक सेंसेस को अच्छी जगह लगाने से हमें थॉट्स अच्छी होती हैं, थॉट्स को हम स्पिरिचुअल चीज में लगाएंगे तो हमारी किसकी सेवा होगी? सोल की. This is how we energize and this is how we engage and nourish the soul, really.
Also, one example of
Yeah.
the remote control, opening the car.
Yeah,
So
yes.
there is some action going on.
Yeah,
Maybe 100 years ago, I don't know when it was invented.
Correct.
But people didn't know कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
yeah. Through sound, some action is happening.
And it's like some sound wave which we cannot hear.
Here, exactly. That it's basically actionable vibration. You understand what I'm saying? अगर कोई, for example, 100 years ago also, Prabhu, there was a person called Tansen. वो अपना राग मल्हार गाते थे. राग तो क्या आते थे? बादल आ जाते थे. साउंड से कुछ एक्शन हो रहा है. एक और राग गाते थे, दीपक जल जाते थे. This was actual recorded fact. This is not myths. You understand? This personality existed in the court of Akbar. It's a recorded fact that this person was able to do these things. So through sound, some action is happening. Now he says remote control. Yeah. So वैसे ही with this sound something is happening, but not just in our bodily level. Body level पे भी शुद्धि हो रही है, auspiciousness आ रही है, but on the mind level and ultimately on the level of the soul. So C is for chanting and D is for something जो हमने बोला diet. प्रसादम. Anything that we eat, whatever we can eat, उसको हम offer करके खाएं. भगवान के सामने तुलसी का पत्ता रख के बस 2 मिनट रख दो कि भगवान प्लीज एक्सेप्ट दिस, एंड देन यू कम ऑफ एंड देन फ्रूट्स तो कर ही सकते हैं. फ्रूट्स, दूध, जूसेस, these things can be offered in anybody's home. Dates, dry fruits, all these can be offered. So offer that and eat it. That is, so all of these things, ये classes में that Prabhu here is graciously hosting, we do this here. हम साथ में आते हैं, एसोसिएशन, बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, हम भगवद गीता पढ़ते हैं, बुक्स, यहाँ पे कीर्तन होता है, चांटिंग, एंड यहाँ पे एट द एंड दे हैव प्रसाद, yeah, that they give us. So all these things happen at a weekly basis in just this 1 hour. It's very beautiful. Just by doing this, हम तीनों चीजों का टेक केयर कर रहे हैं, एंड धीरे धीरे हम इसको नॉट जस्ट वंस इन अ वीक बट घर पे भी थोड़ा बहुत इनकलकेट करें अपनी लाइफ में. It basically, the formula is this: 1 part of your day, 1 day of the week, and 1 month of the year. If we give this to spirituality, then we are sorted. This is our goal. कि हम ये कैसे करें? 1 part of the day, usually we meditate in the morning, do a little sadhana in the morning, reading, etc. 1 day in a week तो हो ही रहा है, right? We come here on Sundays and Saturdays on the weekends. 1 month in a year, when you go for yatras, when you go to dham yatras, you spend some days. Throughout the year there are multiple yatras. तो 1 month in a year collectively हो जाता है. So taking a break in a year to spend some time dedicatedly into spiritual activities, that is 1 month in a year. But this is our goal, that end of the day, when we progress, if we start doing this, ABCD, 1 part of the day, 1 day of the week, and 1 month of the year. तो अगर ऐसा हो जाए, then we are sorted. This is how you balance your life. I'm going to stop here, and we can take up any questions if we have. But next time, say we will start the Bhagavad Gita. So make sure you're here. Maybe not next weekend because long weekend hai. So people must be traveling. But yeah. If there are any questions, we can take them up.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
the topmost level is of soul,
Yes.
taking care of the soul. Now, if we are taking care of our soul, the mind is also taken care of.
Yes.
Right? But what about body?
So if we take care of the mind, body is taken care of. Just like that, if we take care of the soul, the mind and जो नीचे के हैं, they get included in the higher levels basically. They get. I'll give you an example. For example, I'll just take the example of the food. Food का example ले लेता हूँ. So prasad, what gets offered to the Lord? Only the best of the best things get offered to the Lord, right?
Religion, food, and
Yeah, no, none of that.
automatically.
The healthiest of food gets offered to the Lord. It's vegetarian in nature. The whole world is talking about it. That if you don't want coronary diseases, what do? You turn vegetarian, turn vegan. That's the whole world is talking about it. So if you have prasadam made by a person who's conscious, प्रसादम कौन बनाता है? घर पे कोई लविंगली बनाएगा नहीं कि मैं भगवान के लिए बना रही हूँ या बना रहा हूँ, राइट? तो द कॉन्शियसनेस इज ऑल्सो गुड. बॉडीली वे में द फूड इटसेल्फ इज ग्रेट. कॉन्शियसनेस वे में द थॉट्स आर ग्रेट ऑफ द पर्सन मेकिंग इट, एंड एनीवे इट्स ऑफर्ड टू द लॉर्ड. इट हैज कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द लॉर्ड. इट विल अफेक्ट द सोल एज वेल. Actually, anything spiritual, प्रभु, affects all three levels. कोई भी spiritual चीज, जैसे तुलसी महारानी, पूरे इंडिया में there's a practice of keeping tulsis in front of houses. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is normal practice. So the tulsi, people say that oh, but science की वजह से है, 24/7 उसे oxygen देता है, etc. Yeah, on the level of the body, yeah, medicinal value है on the level, but that doesn't mean it is disqualified from the other two. Mind level पे it gives auspicious vibrations in the house, and soul level पे it basically is Vrinda Maharani. It's a personality, तुलसी महारानी, इसलिए उनकी पूजा करते हैं हम, राइट? तो तुलसी महारानी है वो, जो कृष्ण की प्रेयसी हैं, कृष्ण भक्त हैं. So we are praying to her that please let me please bless me so that I too can get bhakti in our hearts. So any spiritual activity affects you on all three levels. Yeah.
Understood.
Yes.
My question was actually more to it.
Yes, sir.
Like when we operate at the level of soul, taking care of the soul, the mind is automatically 100% taken care of.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
But for body, that is not true.
Yeah.
Maybe it is for the most part taken care of.
Right.
But still, we need to work at the body level.
Of course. No, we need to work. So nothing is automatic. So if you're doing something for the soul, Hare Krishna. If you're doing something for the soul, you still have to exercise. You still have to do all of that. That is, even for the mind level, you still have to be cognizant that what kind of thoughts I'm having. I'm meditating, doing all of these things. But you still have to do those duties for sure. Krishna talks about it in the third chapter. Actually, second chapter में बात करना शुरू कर देते हैं in the second half कि you have two dharmas. एक है bodily level पे, एक है spiritual level पे. अगर आप spiritual level पे आ गए, इसका मतलब bodily level को ignore नहीं करना है. आपको दोनों साथ में चलानी है. Both the things you have to do together. That is something that he talks about. So if I didn't intend to mean that अगर आप soul के level पे काम कर लोगे तो you can neglect the body and your mind, because that doesn't work. No, you have to take care of the body also, but your consciousness changes. That is on the level of the soul.
Right.
Yeah, that is on the level of the soul.
One quick thing, like all of us are growing up in this modern age. So how does one get inspiration? How did you get? You were in Sri Ram school. You
Yeah.
were, doing many things that most kids do.
Yeah.
So what is it that in your journey, what clicked?
I had so my upbringing was, I'm a South Indian, so my parents had all these different rituals, and religion was in my house very natural. So I was brought up in that कि भगवान होते हैं, ये होता है, ठीक है होता है. But when I obviously got into my teenage, I was like हाँ ठीक है होते होंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे. I left all of that. My parents are also okay, like fine, okay. But once I came into college, my friends from school were into Krishna consciousness, into bhakti. So I used to visit their house. तो मैं देखता था ये कुछ similar चीजें करते जो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने सिखाई हैं, सुनता था मैं ये सब. Okay. Once, but as I kept going to their house, I realized that there are books also जो साथ में हैं rituals के. There are manuals also. And I started to understand कि in rituals, in practices के पीछे there's a logic to it. And I love logic. I'm a science background student. I really am attracted by the scientific, how do things work. That really attracts me. So when I understood there's a logic behind it, that's what really hooked me, Prabhu. When there's logic behind it, I can understand something out of it. And because I had a scientific bent of mind on the level of the body, now I got something deeper, higher. That there is science which is bigger than this also, which complements this, which is not a conflict. I've never found spirituality or religion to be conflicting with science per se. I always found it complementing each other. They always fit together very nicely. I never found it to be a conflict. That is something that inspired me to take that.
And sometimes there's a fear that one can go too deep into it and not do your, you'd not be the passionate worker or, employer or employee or, business owner. ये काफी डर लेता है कि, you cannot do all that because you're now totally spiritual.
I think I was lucky in that sense, Prabhu, because the people that taught me spirituality, they always showed it by example कि ऐसा नहीं है. उन्होंने अपना काम materially also they have always been successful. Radhe Shyam Prabhu and Premanji Mataji, they were materially also successful, and they've always encouraged me also कि नहीं, अच्छी पढ़ाई करनी है, अच्छे कॉलेज जाना है, अच्छा काम करना है. You have to be successful in your material life also, so that you can show the world that you're not losing out on anything. You have to be an example in the world, and these are Krishna's words. In the 3rd chapter, he quotes Janak Maharaj, people who are worldly per se, and he quotes them कि these are exemplary people जो world में रहने के बावजूद अपनी ये तीनों चीजों को balance out कर रहे हैं. Balance out करना है बस. That is our prerogative there. That's our responsibility. कि एक ही चीज में नहीं घुस जाना है. जैसे अगर हम डर रहे हैं, if we're scared of कि नहीं तुम इसमें ज्यादा घुस जाओगे, why are we not scared of the other side also कि अरे तुम materialism में ज्यादा घुस जाओगे.
उसमें दिख रहा है ना कि क्या मिल रहा है.
हाँ, like उसमें तो कोई डर नहीं रहा. अगर इसमें डर रहा है कोई कि नहीं इसमें पूरा नहीं घुस जाना, ठीक है, वेरी गुड, तो इसमें भी तो नहीं पूरा घुस जाना ना, बैलेंस आउट करो. Why are we not scared about that? That is the scarier part, because it's more easier for us to get totally consumed by that and ignore the other side. Here, it's not easy. हलवा नहीं है कि spirituality में पूरा घुस जाएगा. Is that easy?
No,
Never easy. How are you scared about that which is not easy, but you're not scared about that thing which actually you're gonna actually do? Materialism में पूरा घुस जाना बहुत easy है. So we have to be scared about that, not scared about the other side. Because if you're scared about the other side, which is more difficult, you'll not do it only.
हाँ, अभी तो 1% भी नहीं कर रहे.
हाँ, we'll not do it only, which is what is happening.
Prabhu ji, जैसे we know what is right, what is wrong.
Yeah.
जैसे आपने जो बताया, मतलब I understand,
Yeah.
I am convinced कि ये सही है.
Yeah.
लेकिन जब वो implementation की बात आती है,
Yeah.
then somewhere
Discipline, Prabhu. Anything to do anything good, you have to discipline yourself. Just like that, you have to discipline yourself. And you know what helps? What helps is a like-minded association. Gym जाना है तो gym बड़ी होता है ना साथ में, तो easier हो जाता है. जिस दिन मेरे को नहीं मन करेगा, वो कॉल करेगा मेरे को कि अरे चल भाई चलना है. It helps or not? वैसे ही association helps us in doing B, C and D. A helps us in doing B, C and D. A को नहीं छोड़ना है. A को नहीं छोड़ना
जो
है.
motivation
हाँ.
है, जैसे if I keep on attending your classes or anything, if I listen something good about spirituality and all that, तो वो motivation development होता रहता है.
Yeah.
और chanting
बढ़ती है.
में बढ़ती है. लेकिन the moment we are involved into office affairs and then you go to tour and all that, then it goes down.
Yeah.
And then the break happens.
Yes.
So इसको कैसे maintain किया?
We have to keep some things which are non-negotiables in our life. Non-negotiables. कि ये तो मुझे करना ही है, मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँ मुझे करना है, ऑफिस जाऊँ जो जाऊँ. प्रभु, हम ऑफिस के लिए non-negotiables रखते हैं कि नहीं रखते हैं? क्यों रखते हैं हम? Why do we do it? Because वहाँ पे हमें दिख रहा है कुछ मिल रहा है, right? Non-negotiables होते हैं. मुझे जाना है तो जाना है भाई. Is there any उसमें दो राय हैं कोई? नहीं है ना कोई. तो यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं हम रख सकते? यहाँ पे रख सकते. मैं जल्दी आऊँगा, जल्दी सोऊंगा और अपना टाइम निकालूंगा, या तो शाम को निकालूंगा, सुबह निकालूंगा, कहीं तो निकालूंगा. नॉन नेगोशिएबल. ये डीप्रायोरिटाइज नहीं होना चाहिए. उसको मैं जितना प्रायोरिटी दे रहा हूँ, इतना इसको भी मैं उतना ही प्रायोरिटी दूंगा. मैं नहीं कह रहा कि यू डोंट डीप्रायोरिटाइज योर वर्क, बट यू प्रायोरिटाइज दिस इक्वली. इफ यू डू दैट, यू विल बी फाइन. इट इज हार्ड, डेफिनेटली हार्ड. You have to take gradual baby steps. Don't disrupt your life and cause havoc for yourself also, your family also. Don't do that. Take help. All of us are here to help. Help each other out कि क्या कर सकते हैं, what can we do, इसको enable कैसे करें. Have calls in the morning कि प्रभु हमें ना chanting मुझे करनी है सुबह, एक ही राउंड करूँगा, 7 minutes लगते हैं, 7 to 10 minutes. Can you get on a Zoom call with me? How difficult, bro? Technology is enabled. Just make a time that 7 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, whatever suits you. Your gym buddy and you are saying that we'll get on a call, we'll do it together. एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखेंगे तो एक accountability रहती है. That's all. छोटी सी चीज़ है प्रभु, कर लेंगे तो हमारा भला हो जाएगा बहुत बड़ा. Gunjan Mataji has been attending the morning japa sessions. We do it from 5 to 7 on Zoom. तो आप कभी भी आ सकते हैं. 5 and 7 की जो 2 घंटे का विंडो, आप कभी भी आ सकते हैं और कभी भी जा सकते हैं. How much ever you want to do. तो if you fix a time, it's easier like this to do things together. We have shloka memorization. जितना भी हम, आपको क्या पसंद है, पसंद क्या है आपको, प्रभु is here to facilitate that, right? He is doing the Janmashtami thing here, and he's tried to do the Rath Yatra. He has kirtans. So many things are happening here also. So whatever your proclivity is towards, tell Prabhu, he will arrange for it. Take help, that's all. If you want something, ऑफिस में कुछ करवाना हो तो people, leadership क्या है, leadership बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं वो कि you have to be active, you have to be proactive, not just active, you have to be proactive. That's a leader. जो दूसरों में देखे कि अच्छा इसको क्या पसंद है, चल इसको इसमें लगाते हैं, वैसा है ना. तो हमें भी proactivity दिखानी पड़ेगी थोड़ी यहाँ पे.
If possible, Prabhu, then I think as a group we should have one round together.
Yeah, definitely, Prabhu. Yeah.
Because group में it has got another
feeling.